Today we're diving into the world of e-commerce to uncover just how profitable it can be. If you have ever wondered whether investing your time and resources into the online business is worth it, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content that we come up with. So now let's get into it. E-commerce has witnessed tremendous growth in recent years, with more and more consumers choosing to shop online. According to recent statistics, the global e-commerce market is projected to reach 4.7 billion by 2028. So this rapid expansion represents a vast market for businesses to tap into. One of the key advantages of e-commerce is the relatively low overhead costs compared to traditional brick-and-mortar stores. With no need for physical storefronts, businesses can save on rent, utilities, and other expenses associated with maintaining a physical presence. So this is a really good advantage of an e-commerce business. So unlike local businesses limited by geographical constraints, e-commerce provides the opportunity to reach a global audience. So this expanded market reach can significantly boost sales and profitability for businesses operating in the online space. So imagine you live in Canada and you can sell to people in the States, United Kingdom, or Australia. That's the market that you have access to. That's a huge market and brings more opportunities for revenue and profitability for your online business. So e-commerce allows businesses to diversify their revenue streams through various channels such as third-party platforms, direct sales on their website, and even affiliate marketing. So this diversification can be a powerful strategy to mitigate risk and maximize profits. So you only don't need to just sell on your website. You can sell on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and also have other people helping you market your business through that affiliate marketing as well. So that really brings you opportunity for you to maximize on those profits. And this is easily done when you have an e-commerce business. While the potential of profit in e-commerce is substantial, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges as well. So there is fierce competition, technological changes, and evolving consumer preferences are factors that businesses must navigate. So understanding and adapting to these challenges is crucial for long-term success. And this is so important. So you need to be able to adapt easily to all these challenges with the first step. There's always changes that you have to keep up with. Conclusion: the profitability of e-commerce largely depends on various factors, including market trends, effective marketing strategies, and adaptability to change. While there are challenges, the potential for success and profit in the e-commerce landscape is undeniable. If you are considering entering this dynamic space, thorough research and strategic planning are key so that you'll be able to succeed. Such an exciting venture if you do embark on it. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. And for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care.